Hello students, now let's start lesson number 4 on page number 45. Okay, an Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla. Now let's read. Before you read, in 1997, an Indian American Kalpana Chawla. Why it is said Indian American? Because Kalpana Chawla, she was born in India and accepted citizenship of America. So she was called Indian American lady. Kalpana Chawla was a part of the international crew aboard the US Space Shuttle Columbia. Okay, so that was the first journey of Kalpana Chawla in 1997 in space. Okay, so she done the first space travel in 1997 and Columbia was the name of their aircraft. Okay, so let's see, become the first woman born in India to go into space. Sadly, the second mission in Columbia ended in tragedy. So she done two missions in space shuttle Columbia and two times she traveled in space. She had the record of 30 days, 40 hours and 54 minutes spent in space. She was the first Indian born woman to go into space. Okay, so she traveled two times in India, and while traveling Colombian second journey, the aircraft or the Columbia was blasted in Earth's atmosphere because of the serious injury in the wings. Okay, she had, and all the all the seven crew members were died in that space mission. Along with Kalpana Chawla, she was also died in the second mission spacecraft. Okay, then she had committed two space mission, that was STS-87, that was his first mission in 1997, and the second mission was STS-107, that was in 2003. Okay, so she had done two space mission, in first in 1997, in second in 2003. And in 2003 she was while she was done second space mission, while they were returned towards the earth, the aircraft was blasted and Kalpana Chawla and other crew members were died in that journey in 1st February 2003. So that was the death day of Kalpana Chawla. Okay, now let's see what is there in the lesson. Here in box, let's read what is there. A space shuttle is spacecraft that is made for repeated space travel, unlike a rocket. So they were not like a rocket. We can make a repeated travel in spacecraft, for example between earth and space station. Use a dictionary to do the task below. So in first sentence we have seen that what is space shuttle. So space shuttle is a spacecraft and that is made for repeated space journey or repeated space travel. Okay, so just like Columbia, in which Columbia is a spacecraft, space shuttle, and which is able, it is said that Columbia is able to make 100 journey of space. So, but in 28th journey of Columbia, it is blasted because of the serious injury in that wings. So, 28 any Columbia Columbia is able to 100 journey of space travel. Space travel ની 100 journey કરી શકે એટલું able હતું. But while his 28th journey of space, it was blasted in Earth's surface while it was returning on the earth. Okay, so that was the 28th journey of Columbia space shuttle. So space shuttle is like that. Now second, use the dictionary to the task below. First, find out the meaning of the following words and phrases. First one, let's see A. Naturalized US citizen. Okay, naturalized US citizen means a people who are outside from US but are granted US citizenship by law. Okay, so they are known as naturalized US citizen. Okay. Second, B, space. What is space? That continuous area which is free, available, or unoccupied. It is called space. Okay, C, D, and E. So you have to find out the meaning of this phrase and words. So that is your homework. Okay, just like A and B, find out the meaning of C, B, and C, D, and E. Okay, now turn the page, see the second one. Notice the spelling of these words in this lesson: airplane and program. Okay, so if we see the spelling of these two words which is used in our lesson, it is American English. It's spelled in American English. Now we are using British English. Now you have to find out what is the right spelling in British English of airplane and program. Okay, so find out the right spelling of airplane and program. Okay, now let's turn the page. A news report: tragedy in space, US space shuttle Columbia breaks into flames. Now that is the report from the newspaper. Let's see what is there. In an unprecedented space tragedy, US space shuttle Columbia, carrying India-born American astronaut Kalpana Chawla and 6 others, broke apart in flame as it streeted over Texas towards its landing strip on Saturday, 1st of February 2003, killing all 7 on board. So that is the news report. Okay, so in an unprecedented means never happened before. So that incident is so sad and it never happened before. Space tragedy. So there was a space tragedy in US space shuttle Columbia. So Columbia is the name of space shuttle, and there was a tragedy with this space shuttle carrying Indian born and American astronaut. So while Columbia was traveling and it carrying Kalpana Chawla and 6 other astronaut, and this Columbia was broke apart in flame. So it was broken or destroyed with fire as it streaked over. Now streaked over means moved very fast. Streaked over means moved very fast on Texas. Texas is US state. So when Columbia was landing and it was moved very fast over the Texas state of US towards its landing strip on Saturday, 1st of February 2003. That aircraft was destroyed in the space or destroyed in the Earth's atmosphere. On which day? On Saturday, 1st of February 2003. And in this tragedy, in this accident, Kalpana Chawla and other 6 crew members were dead. Okay, now see the second paragraph. The shuttle lost contact with NASA at about 9 a.m. as it came in for landing. When the spacecraft Columbia was about to landing on the Earth, the contact with NASA was lost. It was flying at an altitude of over 2 lakhs feet and traveling at over 20,000 km per hour. So fast it was, and it was too far from the Earth. Okay, so they lost their control, they lost their NASA's contact. Okay, so that was some emergencies and some problem created in the aircraft, and there was a serious injury in the wings. So that was the main reason for the aircraft's accident. And 20,000 km per hour when ground control lost contact with the shuttle. So NASA's contact was lost, and Columbia had lifted off on 16 January 2003. That Columbia, it was lifted off from the earth on 16 January. એ ક્યારે અર્થમાં ક્યારે એ ટેક ઓફ કર્યું હતું એણે સ્પેસ જર્ની ક્યારે એણે સ્ટાર્ટ કરી હતી ઓન 16 જાન્યુઆરી 2003. ઓકે, એન્ડ 1st February 2003 when he was returned to earth. वो लैंड करी रहा था अर्थ पर. एट दैट टाइम द एयरक्राफ्ट वॉज accidentally and it was blast and destroyed. Okay, so Columbia started his journey on 16 January 2003 from the Kennedy Space Center, Florida. So Kennedy Space Center is the space center which created Columbia also. Columbia aircraft, it is created by Kennedy Space Center program. Okay, it had stayed in orbit for 16 days and 7 members crew conducted 80 experiments before it began its downward journey. So before they return to earth, they have completed their 80 experiments and they spent 16 days in space, which ended in tragedy. And that Columbia aircraft was ended in tragedy. It was destroyed. This was Columbia's 28th space flight, and the shuttle was said to be good for 100 flight. So it was said that the Columbia was able to do 100 space flight, but now 28th space journey, it was blasted. It was crashed in the space shuttle. So it was the 28th space flight of Columbia, and at this 28th space flight, it was destroyed in the space, or it was destroyed in the Earth's atmosphere. Okay, so 28 એની જર્ની હતી. એવું કહેવાય કે 100 જર્ની એ એબલ છે, 100 જર્ની કરવા માટે એબલ છે સક્સેસફુલી. બટ એની કેટલી જર્ની થઈ? 27 વોઝ સક્સેસફુલ જર્ની એન્ડ 28 જર્નીમાં કોલંબિયા વોઝ ડિસ્ટ્રોયડ. Okay, so that was the Columbia and accident of Columbia aircraft with the death of 7 crew members with Kalpana